Breaking news today has left many across America heartbroken. The nation has lost one of its most beloved judges, Judge Frank Caprio, who has passed away at the age of 88. Known as the nicest judge in the world, Judge Caprio touched millions of lives both inside and outside the courtroom. His unique blend of compassion, fairness, and humanity made him a global inspiration. Frank Caprio first became widely known through his television program Caught in Providence, where everyday people came before him for minor offenses. What made him stand out was not the rulings themselves, but the way he treated each person, with dignity, respect, and often with humor and heart. Born in Providence, Rhode Island, Caprio's journey was rooted in humble beginnings. The son of Italian immigrants, he grew up understanding the struggles of working families. That empathy carried over into his courtroom, where he reminded the world that justice could be both fair and compassionate. In recent years, Judge Caprio revealed that he had been battling cancer. Even as his health declined, he continued to inspire, sharing messages of hope, gratitude, and resilience. His passing today marks the end of an era, but his lessons on kindness will live forever. Fans around the world are mourning his loss. Social media has been flooded with tributes, with many calling him not just a judge, but a symbol of compassion in a time when the world needed it most. Judge Caprio once said, "Kindness is free, it costs nothing to show someone that you care." Those words reflect the legacy he leaves behind, a reminder that justice is not only about laws, but about humanity. Judge Frank Caprio passed away at the age of 88, but his impact will echo for generations to come. He taught us that kindness has a place in justice and that empathy can change lives. Rest in peace, Judge Caprio. You will never be forgotten.